What's up, guys? It's Raf in the Rafcave, and happy post Black Friday. Whoo! Shopping season has begun, but I think the busiest part is in the past. So hopefully everyone got what you've been waiting for Black Friday, all the great deals of electronics and home theater, smart home, lights, all that stuff. Hope you got what you wanted at a great price. It's definitely a great day to shop. So welcome to the channel. I'm about to show you a awesome product that I am blessed to have. Thank you to the missus. This is a mesh Wi-Fi network system called Velop from Linksys. Holy cow. So with a mesh network, that's pretty dang cool. So what I've been using is I have an Asus router, AC 1900 router. It's been great. You know, if you look back on all my previous unboxings, I opened up a couple big daddy routers, tried them out, but they kind of cut out with the 5G network, and you know, spending that much money, I shouldn't have to deal with that. And the Asus 1900 has been solid for me. Hasn't had many problems, I should say. But it's been fine. But I mean, it's getting a little outdated, and the technology nowadays about this mesh network thing, what I'll show you is a picture right here. So basically with a mesh network is when you have a device, right? And say, you know, let's back up. Let's say what I have. I have a router down here, and I have a Wi-Fi extender on the second floor, and that's it. So say if I'm connected to my router on my phone, say, and it's fantastic, 5G is a great signal. I go upstairs to my bedroom, we'll say, and it's still trying to connect to the router downstairs, so I'm losing all this signal as I go upstairs, right? That's not cool. I have to manually select the network upstairs to connect to that extender, and that's a pain, right? So what's great about a whole home network mesh system, as you can see the picture, is no matter where you walk around the house, the system knows your device, and it's going to always maintain a perfect harmony of Wi-Fi signal throughout your entire home. That's pretty darn cool. So that way you don't have to worry about anything dropping, you know, speed or signal strength and all that stuff, because you're basically in a very intelligent network of Wi-Fi with these pods here. Now, speaking of these pods, I got the 2-pack. Thumbnail. The 2-pack. So basically this will cover 4,000 square feet. And my house is about 3,500 or so. So I figured this is going to be fine. This is going to replace my router, or my modem, my router and my extender with the 2 pods. That way in perfect harmony of a huge circle of both. So I'm pretty excited to get this set up. I've had some dropouts of devices here and there, and I'd have to go back and reconnect and all that stuff. So with this, it's gonna, man, you're gonna have so much control. Okay, so you're gonna be able to download an app. You're able to see all your devices. You're able to categorize and prioritize certain devices that have more bandwidth all the time, which is really cool. And also you can monitor everything. You can set up guest networks and all that stuff, but also have control of individual devices of their internet. So say your child is playing games and it's like 11 o'clock, you know, a little Xbox or PS4, boom, just turn that off right here. So you could just have access to all your devices and turn off the Wi-Fi to them. So that's pretty cool. Otherwise, I'm pretty excited. So I'm going to unbox this for you guys, show you what's inside, and then I'm going to hook it up, and hopefully it's great. So hopefully this gives you some ideas of upgrading your own Wi-Fi network at home, and it's supposed to be pretty cool. So I'm excited for all my devices in the house to connect to an amazing Wi-Fi network. And it also has a couple Ethernet ports in the back as well. These 2 pods have 2 Ethernet ports underneath. So if you want to have some hardwire connected to it, you can just get a switch and multiply the Ethernet ports. It's gigabit ports on both of these. So if you want to hardwire, you definitely can, and still maintain that mesh Wi-Fi network. So that's pretty awesome. Welcome to the channel. I'm Raf from the Rafcave. I do inspiration videos on my home theater to give you ideas, and hopefully some things work out for you. Just comment below, let me know if you're looking into this here, and yeah, I'm excited. Mesh Wi-Fi network in the Rafcave home. That's awesome. All right, let's get those unboxed. Let's check it out. Black pin. Okay, let's get this guy unboxed here. So I'll show you the box here. This is the front. Linksys Velop whole home Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi that sets you free. Coverage of 4,000 square feet. There is a triple pack that'll give you even more range. I think 6,000 square feet and more speed, so that's up to you guys. Now I went with this one because it's a premium set and tri-band, so more data speed. But also, if you notice on the side here, the one thing that really got me to get this is this up to 300 megabits per second. I'm paying for a 250, so I definitely had to have this. The one below this one only goes up to 150 megabits, so that wasn't going to cut it. So yep, so I got the 4400 tri-band, of course, a couple nodes. They call these nodes, I guess. I have 3 to 4 bedrooms, so that's perfect. 4,000 square feet. If you have more than that, of course, at 6,000 would be better for you. But self-healing, I mean, that's pretty cool. App setup, so it's easily to set up at home. Premium security, parental controls, right? Modular system, Alexa compatible, and powered Ethernet cable management. Pretty awesome. There's the specs right there. There's the back of the box. Nodes of the module. Nodes are modular and work together to fit any floor plan. Each node's at 2,000 square feet. That's pretty sweet. Sets up in minutes. Gets better all the time. That's the updating and the self-healing. Designed to fit anywhere. Keeps your family safe. And future-proofing Wi-Fi. That's amazing. Side of the box here. 3-year warranty. How about that? All right, let's get her unboxed here. So excited for this. I've always wanted to get a new router, but I mean, geez, if I can get a mesh network that does a way better job, I gotta go for that. All right. Oh, here we go. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Setup guide. Download the Linksys app to get started. Yes, it's that easy. Man, download the app. Follow the steps. How sweet is that? Wow. There it is, guys. The first node. Linksys. There it is, you can see. Just two Ethernet ports in there. Your power, your reset button. And there's a switch down there. There you can see it a little bit. And the other one. Same thing. Wow, that's it. Just these two little guys. Put it in your house and then away you go. Ethernet cable. I don't know what's in here. More paperwork. Look at that later. And there's your 2 power cords. Rough. All right. That's it. Simple as that, guys. I guess this one goes to your modem on one of these, and then away you go. There is the unboxing, guys. I cannot wait to get this installed in my home, and hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys have some more information, and hopefully it helps you out to look into your very own mesh network in your home. Hey guys, just want to show you what I have right now. It's the Asus AC1900 dual band gigabit router, Asus right here, and I have the main Ethernet cable from the modem, so that'll go straight into the bottom here. one of those ports right there. And then the other port is going to go down to my switch. So I have to remove 3 of these. Actually, man, I got to remove all 4 of them and run them down there. All right, here we go. Let's switch it out right now. So up in the office, this was my old Netgear extender. But now I have the Node and a Linksys switch, all running great. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm Raf. Skull.